Greetings. Today, I will share with you 3 ideas for a quick and nutritious breakfast. It's not hard to do and doesn't take much time. For the first option, we finely chop green onions. Mix 3 eggs with onions, salt and pepper to taste. Cut 1 large or a couple of small tomatoes into rings. Slice the cheese. Slice of butter. Pour our egg layer into the frying pan. Place tortilla or pita bread on top of eggs. Carefully turn it over. Lay out tomatoes, herbs, basil leaves, cheese, and carefully wrap the tortilla. But be careful, it is hot. Let it warm up on each side for a couple of minutes and our first dish is ready. The second option will be sweet. 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon cinnamon. One small pear, 2 small plums, half a small apple, 1 banana. Slice of butter. Place bananas in a frying pan. Pour the eggs into the frying pan. Place tortilla or pita bread on top of eggs. Carefully turn it over. Lay out a layer of pears, apples, plums, and carefully wrap the tortilla. But be careful, it is hot. Let it warm up on each side for a couple of minutes and our second dish is ready. Our sweet breakfast is incredibly delicious. Bananas together with apples give a very rich taste. Try it and write if you succeeded in making it and if you like the dish. Our second breakfast turned out to be cheesy, moderately rich in flavor, and the presence of basil and tomatoes gave it a special note. Tell us what city and country you are watching this recipe from, so that I can say hello to you in the next videos. For our third breakfast, we will need bread or a loaf. Cut thick enough so that we can make a hole in a piece of bread. Place a small piece of dark or milk chocolate inside the bread. We need eggs, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 120 milliliters of milk. Mix it all. Soak bread in milk and eggs. Slice of butter. Two minutes on both sides. Add pinch of cinnamon or powdered sugar to taste. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This is very important for the growing of the channel. Thanks for watching.